What's up, everybody? Ty here with 8 Times Up Outdoors. A few months ago, Chris and I went out and were shooting pumpkins filled with Tannerite. We took our kids out. It was this family thing. It was awesome. We're going to make this amazing video out of it. We were shooting 1/2 pound, 1 pound, 1/2 pound, 1 pound, 2 pounds, and 4 pounds of Tannerite inside pumpkins, and they were blowing up, and it was awesome. And our plan was that once we shot all the pumpkins, then we would film us talking about them and kind of walk through it. Well, kids got cold, kids got hungry, they wanted to go home, so we didn't do any of the talking. So I was going to throw out all that footage because I was like, we failed, we didn't make another good video, and then I realized none of you care about us talking at all. You just want to see the pumpkins blow up. So here it is. Check this out.
Yes. I felt my pants shake.
Yeah, it did.
That was rad.